So
Yes.
most of the part is like where a land meets sea. So we have so many coasts. So the world, it is, they say that world has about 3,12,000 kilometers of coastline. This is huge, right? Because
Yes.
3,12,000 kilometers of coastline is a big area, is a very huge area. So you can see them on pictures, and you guys know how to use AdSense. You are acquainted with it, right?
You know how to use what?
AdSense for geography, for looking areas and all.
Yes.
Yes. So, now we'll look after sea. So there's a coast. Now for seashore, in this picture, the seashore is the land along the coast. So we have different types of seashores, right? The sand along every seashore is not same. Some, we also have black seashores, we have white seashores, we have the sand, granules are different, the size of sand is different, the way it feels or the way it feels to our skin or the way it looks is also different, right? Some rocks and some sand are very smooth, some are harsh, so it differs. So some seashores have a strip of sand, shingle, pebbles, or mud at the edge of the sea. What is shingle? Because I'm sure, I know you guys are smart and you know what is pebbles or mud. Any idea what is shingles? Anyone?
No.
No? Okay. So shingles is same as pebbles. It's just that it is small and it is rounded in shape, like very smooth and very round. It is smooth and round. Pebbles are of different shapes and sizes, right?
Yes.
But shingles are round and smooth. Sometimes there are cliffs or sand dunes behind the beach. You know what is cliff, right? Okay.
Yes, you know what is cliff.
And you know what is sand dunes also, or
No, sand dunes, I don't know.
okay. So sand dunes. So we know that coast is a land that meets sea and is an area where land meets sea, right?
Yes.
So sometimes if there is no beach, you will see a lot of sand in shape of heaps or mountains, like Sahara Desert or something.
Oh, yes. I
Like
get it.
different shapes of sand.
Yes, yes.
Those are called as sand dunes and cliffs. Now the wind and waves have shaped. So this picture. Wait, I'll just take a marker. Yeah. Okay. So in this picture, this one, now we see that there are so many different shapes of we have different shapes of cliffs and we have so many shapes in the sea, and they keep on changing, you know. They are like, they keep on changing depending on the currents of seas or weather, atmosphere, whether there was a tsunami, there was a flood, or it keeps on changing over years. So now this picture that I am marking here, this is a coastline in Australia and it has a series of cliffs, caves, bays, and rocky towers. And these rocky towers are called stacks. So now in this picture, I'll clear this. You guys can see this picture clearly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now in this picture, can someone tell me which is what is a cliff or where is the cliff? What part of this picture is a cliff?
Ma'am, a cliff is there. Ma'am, can I annotate? See,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, sure.
This is the cliff. Is the cliff. No, I don't black. This.
Yeah, right. Suppose this has
No, that was my sister in different class.
okay. Sorry, I thought it that. Okay. Yeah, the building that you noted is steep.
Yes.
These steep parts.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
that
So this is a cliff.
land is different. Like it is not joined from the island.
Yeah. So we'll come to know about regions why it is not joined from the island. Okay. Now tell me, can someone show me a cave? This is easy, right? Cave. Yeah. Correct. Cave. And where is the bay? Okay. Okay. There are so many caves. You're right.
This
And
is the
where
big.
is, yeah. Just where is the bay? Bay is basically any inlet which flows into sea or ocean. It can be a pond.
I'm drawing in dark green color the bay.
Dark green color.
Wait, ma'am, I'm still drawing.
Yeah, okay. Please draw.
See, ma'am, this corner is full bay.
Yeah. So it is a small inlet which flows into the sea. Bay, like rivers flow into the sea, or sometimes seas flows into the ocean. But there are many different small inlets because of these structures
Yes.
from these caves or from the cliffs, from the area where they can flow into, and that is called a bay. So are you clear what is bay? Who had asked this question?
Ma'am, I
Juvenia?
did not understand.
Okay. So now you know what is bay? Any small inlet of the sea or small body of water which is set off from the main body. Okay, that is called a bay.
Ma'am, basically like river.
Yeah, basically like river, but you can say smaller than a river, because river flows from river has its main current, or it has its main flow, right? But these
Yes.
bay generate from the cliffs or caves or arches. Okay.
Okay.
Now we also have rocky towers, and these rocky towers are called stacks. So now in this is the last part where we'll in this picture that we want to find a rocky tower. Any idea what is a rocky tower?
Ma'am, the stack. No, stack that is made by rocks.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, the cliffs, caves, and bays and rocky towers are called as stacks.
Okay, so rocky towers, what happens is over a period of time, these rocks get stacked over each other. Okay, they get stacked on top of each other, one above the other, and then these structures are called, these tall structures are formed, and that's what we call as rocky towers. Okay, so here just a minute. So this also, can you see what I'm marking?
Yes, ma'am.
This can be called, this is also a tower. If you see here, this is still a tower, right?
Yes.
So the structures that are formed when rocks
Ma'am, we can see
stacked over each
strips like slips in there.
your voice is not audible actually. Can you please repeat? It's breaking.
Ma'am, it's look like strips. When we see that,
Yes.
when we zoom it, so it's look like strip.
Yes. Right. Just a minute. Now, uh, the coastlines, as I said before, the coastlines keep on changing, right? So, what do you think must be the reason for changing coastlines?
It's because of erosion. It's because of erosion.
Right, erosion. So, what happens is this continuous movement of these waves, it cause action of waves and wind causes this coastline or the seashores to changes, because where the rocks are soft, sometimes the rocks or the sand is muddy and it is very soft, right? So it gets eroded easily, and this waves wear away the land and moving the coast inland, so it moves inwards, right? And where the rocks is hard, there may be a change, but it is a little change, and it keeps on changing over a period of time. So because of this continuous movement of waves and water, waves and wind, the new waves form new land along the seashore, and they bring sand and tiny pieces of rock from other parts of the coast. Like, as you know, rivers flow into the seas, right? So when rivers flow, they also carry along with them tiny pieces of mud and rocks and different particles or chemicals, and it also flows into the sea. So because of those particles as well, the shape of the sea keeps, the shape of the shores or coastline keeps on changing. Fine.
Yes.
Hamza is not talking anything. Hi, Hamza. You're mute. You're on mute. Okay. And what is an estuary?
Yes, ma'am. What did you say?
What is an estuary?
Estuary.
Yeah.
The mouth of the river.
Yes. Not just mouth of the river.
Where it flows into the sea.
Yes. You can see it in the PDF as well, right? So mouth of the river
Yes.
where river meets the sea is called an estuary, right? Yes. That's a beautiful picture, right? So it is the mouth of a river where it flows into the sea, and this estuary that you guys are seeing in this picture, this is in Wales. Okay. So as I said before, the tiny pieces of mud and sand swept along by the river gradually settle at the bottom where the river's current is slowed and it meets the sea. So what happens is when rivers
I
flow
have
into the sea, they
Sunday.
also, you have seen this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when I was
Great.
making the sand castle and I did not expect, and then the wave came and it was destroyed.
It was destroyed,
Because
right?
it was already wet, that's why it was sticky, so it was building very nicely. But in the soft, it would just fall. So I went over there and then I started, and the huge wave came and then it got destroyed. I was just going to click the
Yeah. So
picture.
you had not expected. So
Yes.
Ma'am, when I went to Morud Beach,
so will
now,
you do it again? Yeah.
ma'am, I was living in a hotel at the seaside side. So, ma'am, in
Okay.
the night there was a chemical. It was coming from the waves and it was glowing very much.
Yeah. So what do you think? Was it a chemical or it was
I have
those
heard
the
of that chemical, but I forgot the name.
okay? It might be the chemical as well, or sometimes there there are some fishes or there's some creatures in the sea which glow at night because they have light of their own. So that
Ma'am,
could be
like
the
my
case as well.
background. Radium, it is a
Yes. Right. Same like Hamza's background. That can be
ma'am,
seen.
even I have seen that.
Oh,
I
is
even
this?
This is a picture that my mother clicked. I didn't
Okay.
publish from.
Great. Okay. What is Munib doing? So many filters, so many. What are you doing? So when this river moves into the sea, the river's current is slowed when it meets the sea, right? And over over a period of time, I mean, after many years, the particles from large areas get settled, and these are called mud flats. So mud flats. So what you see here is not a mud flat, but the wet soil. This mud flats. This land is formed after drying of mud flats. So when a mud flat becomes dry, either a beach is formed or this new land is formed. Are you getting me, or should I repeat again?
Ma'am, can you repeat again? Ma'am,
Yeah,
can you
sure.
repeat again? I did not understand.
Okay, yeah. So we just talked about estuaries where large inlets, which are the largest inlets on the coast, and estuary is a part where rivers flow into the sea. Okay. So when rivers flow into the sea along with rivers, it also brings with it some particles, rocks, sand. You're clear till here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These things flow along with river. So when river meets the sea, its current is slowed down, and these particles get deposited there near an
And what is
estuary. Or
deposited?
deposited means it gets settled there. It remains there.
It come in the sea, the
Yeah,
rock and the soil.
some particles move into the sea and some particles remain as it is. Over Just remain as it is, and after over a period of time, these large particles which get settled or which get deposited at that area or that point, they are called as mud flats. But they will be wet, right? Because the river is continuously flowing.
So when they dry, they become estuaries.
No. They don't when they dry out, they become a new land, which might be a beach or with this land that you can see here, this soil, this sand. This is
An island, ma'am. An island.
yeah, you can see an island.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so don't confuse it for don't say estuary. It is simply mercury that meets the sea. Okay, just
Yes,
write
understood.
yeah. So now you know what is mud flat and and it is an estuary, right?
That in a river
So tell me,
dries up in the beach or island.
Ma'am,
sorry?
can you kind of
Yeah. And different beaches, right? Murud Beach and whatnot. So tell me why coasts are important. Tell me
ma'am,
why.
we can use them. We use the sheltered parts of coast as ports of for ships, ma'am.
Great. Another reason. One more.
And for travel. And for fishing boats also. And fishing boats and ma'am, we can get food and fishes also from there. Ma'am, what
Yeah.
is
So you guys,
Ma'am, in sea we have the seafood.
yes. You guys love seafood?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fish, prawns. I love fish
Me
and
too.
prawns.
Yeah. Even I
I
love
don't
We
fish
like
can
and
get
prawns,
crabs.
man.
natural gas also from the coastal areas.
Yeah. Natural gas is available in the coastal areas. And whenever you go to sea, not everywhere, but if you have been to Tarkarli, Malvan, you have scuba diving, you have different spots. You enjoy them a lot.
No, I have never been
Yes.
to that. I have never done
Ma'am, we
scuba.
have Ma'am, we have
Yeah.
tropical drinks available, and then we also have certain frames in which we can take photos.
Exactly. We have different frames. And see, whenever you go there, all you can do is you can de-stress yourself, you can have
And
fun
ma'am,
with your family.
Maggie stall, and eating stall, snack
Eating
stalls.
stalls are there. You get those different hats, and if you
Yes,
go there will
and
be so
sunglasses,
yeah,
and then sand toys.
yeah. And what about coconut water? Do you love that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That is the
Yeah.
tropical drink.
Ma'am,
Yes.
without beach or coastal areas, we will not have fun.
Exactly. We cannot have fun because you cannot go
And ma'am,
boating.
there is an umbrella under that we
Ma'am,
sit
the
on the
best,
mat.
ma'am,
Yes.
the best one of all activities is scuba diving. It's
Yeah.
very
Scuba
fun.
diving. Very fun, right? It's
Yeah.
fun.
And
It's
ma'am,
funny and scary at the same time.
we like to
Yes.
dip ourselves in the water.
Yeah. Right. So as we know, everyone, including you, me, and there are so many people out there, they like coast. So do you think we're also responsible for harming or damaging the coast to some extent?
For having what, ma'am? Can you repeat?
For
Yes,
harming
ma'am.
or
They
damaging the
eat.
coast or spoiling the
Yeah,
coast, you can say.
ma'am,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
damage
Sometimes
the
the
coast.
people, ma'am, the people which are going to beach, ma'am, they throw the food and the trash in the sea, so it gets polluted.
Yes,
Yes.
the wrapper and all they throw in the sea. So
I'm
when other people go now, so in India, ma'am, all the trash come. Ma'am,
yeah,
Aksha beach is very clean, but they
yeah.
cleaned it. But now recently, it is very bad now.
Yeah, because see, just because you clean it once doesn't mean it will not get dirty again, right? It is our responsibility that whenever we or anybody goes to the sea or we visit sea, we should not
Ma'am,
leave it in any way.
whenever we take something to eat, we also take a paper bag like to put the trash in it or
Exactly.
put the
I,
waste materials in it.
yes. I'm sure
Ma'am,
you guys, you were so
ma'am,
smart and you know that you are not supposed to litter anywhere. Yeah, tell me, who is this?
ma'am, I have heard that in Andheri there is one beach water is not dirty. It is very clean. There is
Yes.
I have heard that in Andheri there is one beach. I don't know its name, but it's very dirty.
Who beach?
Juhu Beach. Yeah, no.
Juhu Beach.
So we have,
Juhu Beach is in Bombay, right?
yeah, and Mumbai and
Is in
Bombay,
Andheri.
right? Delhi.
Which
So,
means Chowpatty. Chowpatty Juhu is one only.
so you must have seen
Yes.
Chowpatty is alag and
Yeah.
Juhu Beach is
Juhu Chowpatty. They call it Juhu Chowpatty Beach. I
Okay,
got
wait.
Coastal
it.
area.
Okay, guys. So we'll try to find out that later because even I'm not from Mumbai, so I'm not sure about it. Okay. So, but we have seen many celebrities going over there and trying to clean and then posting pictures on Instagram, right? This is what we did today.
See, one is Chowpatty, one is beach, and then one is Juhu Chowpatty. So there are 3 types of this.
Yeah,
Three
okay.
are different,
Ma'am,
right?
in Andheri, there is one more beach. Its name is Silver Beach. It is so clean. And then we get chana
And then,
and
ma'am,
like
Versova
masala
beach
over there.
also. Versova.
Yes.
Yeah.
Versova Beach is Aksha Beach only.
So where are you guys from? I mean, you're from Mumbai or
Yeah, we
where
all.
are you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. We
I
all
am
are
from
from Mumbai
Mumbai.
only.
Everyone is from Mumbai. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not everyone.
Okay.
Like we stay
So
in
where are
Mumbai, but we are not from like some people are not from Mumbai. They are from somewhere else and they shifted over here.
okay, so you have shifted here
I am
because of
Mumbai, but
something.
it is also Mumbai. We don't have any village.
Great. So you are, I mean, I could
Pure
say,
Mumbai.
yeah,
We
pure
were
Mumbai
staying
type.
in Bombay and then we shifted to Nehru.
Okay. So now that we have studied about an estuary, do you know which is the world's longest estuary? It's there on your screen.
In Russia, ma'am.
Yeah, and which is that?
Oh, River Ob.
River Ob.
Estuary of that river Ob, right? And see, being the longest one, it is 885 kilometers long and up to 80 kilometers wide. So you can imagine. So now we have a small activities which we have already, like which we have studied right now. So uh, now I want you to answer these questions. What is a beach?
It is a coastal area.
Yes, but
Now, a beach is a place where we can have fun.
that's true that we
Ma'am,
have fun. Okay.
ma'am,
A
beach
beach
is a place where we can relax and the sea is like it's a coastline where we can be.
I want something more specific, you know.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
The
when
sea and the beaches, it connects to different places.
Okay. Anyone else?
ma'am,
Ma'am, it has
you
sands
said
and
no.
sometimes it becomes estuaries.
Ma'am, you said no. This rock, sand, and when they like mix up something and they form beach or they form an island. You
Yeah.
said something I don't remember.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sometimes beach become estuaries also.
No. So beaches don't become estuary. Okay. Estuary is just an opening of river which meets sea. That's it. Okay. So beach would never become an estuary because estuary has something to do with rivers, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we have studied is the area where land meets sea is called as a coastal area, but not every coastal area is a beach. So beach is a place where land we have a good, I mean, we could say fine grains of sand are seen, and whatever you have visited where, I mean, this area is somewhat flat and even. You know what is a beach, right? But not every coastal area is a beach. I hope you guys understand. The beaches that you have visited,
Ma'am,
right?
can you repeat?
Okay. So we know that coast is an area where land meets sea, but not every coast is a beach. So beach is something that you guys have visited, where we have ports, we have harbors for transport, where you can have fun. You have these stores, you can go for scuba diving and
Yes,
everything.
yes.
Those are beaches, right? Yeah. Cliff we have seen in the picture. The steeper part that is called as a cliff. The first picture that you guys were annotating, remember? We studied about cliff.
We showed what is cliff. We showed what are caves
Yes,
and rocky.
we
Rock.
showed rocket towers.
Yeah. rocky target.
Yeah, and we also okay. What does the sand do? I told you
Yes, ma'am.
about the sand dune.
What is what?
Sand dune.
Sand.
Yes.
Ma'am, sand dune or cliffs, ma'am. It is like when we go in Sahara Desert, no, the sand is piled up
The
together.
heaps of sands.
Yes.
Yeah, the piles of heaps of sand.
The sand is piled up, and so it looks like a cliff and a hill like that.
Yeah. Estuary.
Ma'am, estuaries are shown like which sea?
Like
No,
small
no.
particles of river goes into the of water.
Okay, the entire river meets the sea, and the part where actually enters the sea is estuary.
Yes.
Okay.
And what spelling?
E
The
S
mouth
E
of river.
Mud flat.
Ma'am, when particles like rock, sand, and pebbles they meet together, and when like the sea comes and hits them, so when they get what do you say? Huh? When they get wet, so it is called mud flat, and when they are dried, so they form an island or they form a beach.
They form a land. Right. Who is this? Annotating? I'm not. Okay.
Hamza is doing it.
Okay, Hamza. You know what is a port, right? What is a port? Tell me.
Yes. Where ships dock.
Yes. And pebble is very common. You know what is a what pebbles are? Pebbles and
Yes,
shingles.
ma'am. Small stones.
Small stones. Yeah. So now there's a small video for you. It will come in 2 minutes. I'm sure you will love it. Okay. So do you know the difference between waves and tides? What is a
Ma'am,
wave?
wave is
Ma'am,
huge,
low
but
tide and high
small.
tide.
Wave
Ma'am, low tide and high tide are also there. Low tide and high
Yes.
tide.
Ma'am,
We also have spring
Ma'am,
tides.
at beaches in
um,
the morning, ma'am, the
Yeah.
beaches in the morning, like they have low waves, and when in the night, the tides get very huge.
That is called a high tide, right? We have low
Ma'am,
tides and we
every
have high
day
tides.
it
Yes.
happens. Ma'am, twice a day it happens. Every twice a day.
Yes. Every day it
Because
happens
Ma'am,
twice. So we have
ma'am,
so
it is
ma'am,
connected to
yes,
something like
ma'am, I want to say
moon.
something.
The
Ma'am,
moon's
yes,
light
Waves,
make it
wave, waves become by wind, and every
Ma'am, I
of
want
the
to ask
seven wave,
something.
the bigger wave come at the eighth one, the bigger wave come, and
okay.
in tides, it because of moon. In tides,
yes, ma'am, the
the
gravity of
moon's gravity, the moon's
Yes.
gravity
it pulls it so the tide happens.
pulls the
So when this
ocean.
moon's
So
gravity pulls, due to the gravitational force, what happens? Do we get a high tide or do we get a low tide?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
get
when
a
the
high
moon
then we get both
Yes.
the
get a high
twice.
tide.
We get both and twice.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
For
want to
example,
ask something.
yes. Who wants to ask?
Ma'am, me, can I ask?
I'm not
Ma'am,
able to
when
see
we
everyone on this screen.
Okay,
Tell your name
It
now.
was Ibrahim
yeah.
asking.
Yes,
Yeah.
me, Aishwarya Rai doesn't, Aishwarya ma'am doesn't know who me is, all right? So me has
Yeah.
to be a name here. So go ahead. And Aishwarya ma'am, what we'll do is, I think, okay, you have done the session. Okay, let's take the question, then I'll recommend what to do next.
Yeah.
Go
Please.
ahead, Ibrahim Rizwani, go ahead, please.
Ma'am, I was asking that, ma'am, when we are on the beach, so suddenly an high tide happens.
Yeah.
Then,
So whenever you are on a beach, you must have heard about incidents where people were asked not to go deep into the sea because it's a time for high tide, and still they end up going there and they meet accidents, right? So the experienced people over there will let you know. It will be displayed on most of the beaches, if I'm not wrong.
That's
So,
correct. And
yeah.
also Ibrahim, see the waves only in tsunami they come at a sudden. The high tide
Yeah.
and low tide is a phenomena. It takes its time. It's like the eclipse. It doesn't happen all of a sudden, right? Ma'am,
Yeah.
could you unshare the screen so I can just do a small recap? We're almost done. It's your first session, so I thought I'll just quickly ask them. I love the way you spoke about all the different parts: beach, port. What are the other things? Can you just show me that screen a little ahead? Just show me that.
Okay, just hold it.
Cliffs.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, all right. So cliffs, okay. So what I'll do is we'll unshare the screen and I'll quickly ask who is what. Okay, who is a beach person, who is a cliff person, who is a port person. Let me see what do you think about your friends. And before that, let me just embarrass Jueria. And I'll show you this lovely picture. There she is. Right? Yeah, Mohammed is having a lovely time, isn't it? Guys, this is
Okay.
scuba diving in Andaman Nicobar, right?
Yes.
Who the Mandelas and Wrights want to go for scuba diving? There is a place, I don't know, it's close to Pune, right, ma'am? Tarkeli.
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
you aware of Tarkeli?
Yeah,
There is
Tarkeli, it is
scuba
in
diving out
Maldives.
there.
Yes.
Yes, so there you can see scuba diving. By the way, the fishes were all running away because she was stinking so much, She finally took a bath in the water. Yeah, Mohammed having a cool time. Mohammed knows the friends very well. Yes. Rushda, don't even talk about it. Rushda is living on a beach for so many days, ma'am. She must be stinking as well. I don't know about her. Yeah. And Amina, oh my goodness, don't even ask about Amina. It seems all the cockroaches left her home because she never takes bath. Is that true about girls? What do you think, Abdullah? All these girls are like that? Yeah, yeah. And Abdullah, what do you think? True. Look at that. True. This is, guys, Alfia ma'am will come and bash you up. Gender equality. What happened to goal number 5? You should say, no, sir, these are my friends. I'm going to defend them. Look at them, ma'am. These are not good students, right? Okay. Now, ma'am did a lovely job. I was hearing your conversations. So if anybody was like a cliff person, who would that be? Tell me 5 things she taught you, or 6 things, right? Who's a cliff person or why? Anas, who do you think is a cliff person? You taught about cliff, right, ma'am? Or it was only about estuaries and deltas?
No, we have talked
It's
about so many
Abdullah.
things.
Okay, Abdullah. Why Abdullah? Yeah. And why do you nominate yourself, Abdullah?
Because it is very tall, and if
Okay.
we hit, we can get very injured.
Okay, interesting. All right. Munib, who is a beach person? That's come on. Hamza, who's a beach? Oh, I see Hamza by your background as well. It's like a low tide.
Ibrahim.
Rushda, Ibrahim. Why Ibrahim? Rushda, who's a
He
beach
doesn't
person?
get angry.
Really? Is that true about you, Ibrahim? So, ma'am, you're knowing your students now.
No,
Aisha.
it's not. It's not true.
Ibrahim looks like a Hulk now. He says no. What do you think, Aisha Aga and Aisha Kazi? Who is a port person? Hold on. Let me see. Let me hear.
Me.
Who's me? That's you, Aisha?
Yes.
Why do you say that?
I love sports.
No, port. As if ma'am said you docked in a port, right? Is that the word you used? Yeah, okay. What are the other things? What is the estuary, by the way? Jueria, what is an estuary? Delta and estuary?
When the river dries up and becomes an island.
The river's mouth.
No.
Oh, nice. That's interesting. Okay, all right.
The mouth of the river.
Okay,
Yes.
Amina, what else did you learn today? Something interesting? What kind of person are you, Amina? Cool beach person? I didn't hear you, Amina. Go ahead, tell me again.
I think I would be a beach person.
Why do you say that? See, Rushda already claims a beach person. Look at Muhammad with his shades. I think he's a beach person. Muhammad, what do you think? Between the 3 of you, who's a beach person? He says no.
Who will wear a jacket or a hoodie in the beach? It's already so hot.
By the way, Muhammad is not in Bombay. You know that? He's the parents in law. Is that right, Muhammad? Somewhere like 10
He's
degrees.
in UP.
He's having good time. Yeah, he's up. Okay. All right. Where is Ultimate Umar? Umar, I can't see you. You're just half there. Umar, what did you learn from today's session? Did you enjoy ma'am's class?
Yes.
No, Umar, you says no.
I heard yes.
Ma'am's that bad, Umar? Oh, Hamza says cool. Cool food. Where, Hamza? Where is cool food out there? Hamza, you are muted. Humaira, I can't see you. Hamdan, I can't see you.
Sir, can
Go
you see
ahead.
me now?
I, of course, always visible. You're conspicuous. Go ahead, tell me.
Sir, I like to eat food and I'm really hungry now and now please so that's
Okay, bye bye, Hamza. Don't worry, Hamza. You have to wait for your class. You have your breakfast early. Rushda, I didn't hear you today. I didn't speak to you. Rushda, what kind of well, okay, everybody. Now, since you already know ma'am, and I think some of you this is the first time, what kind of person do you think ma'am would be? Aishwarya ma'am would be what person?
Geographical
Geographical
person.
Why you say that? No, I like what Amina said. Why you say port, Amina?
Geographical
So I think ma'am is in technology.
Okay. Alright. Amina, repeat what you said. You theatre. Else is you are a geographical person. Somebody said you are a beach person. What do you say?
because she's
Right,
calm.
Mohammed, I can see all your antics. Anas, you didn't speak today, Anas. She's calm. Oh, okay. That's like. But what about a high tide then, Anas? I think we'll end up with Anas quote. Ma'am, did you enjoy your class? Did you talk to them well?
Very,
Did they
very.
interact with you?
They are very
So-
interactive. You know what? The best part I like about this class is they're very interactive. So you never think like you are the only one who's speaking. They're so interested,
No.
they're so interactive, they're curious, and they ask questions. Really smart.
I'm so glad you think about them. I think they are a wonderful bunch of talented students, right? And I think geography and history would be some good subjects that you'll deal with them. So we'll
Yeah.
see you all with ma'am again next Thursday, 10 o'clock. Until then, bye-bye, everybody. And
Bye-bye.
ma'am,
Have a good
anything you let me know, anything you want to share with them, videos and all, you can always
Yeah.
put it on the group. All right.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so much. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.